In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member from a Trello board easily. Whether you're managing a project, organizing your team, or just need to tidy up your board, I'll guide you through this straightforward process. Let's get started by heading over to Trello's website. Open your web browser and type in trello.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner and you'll spot the Login button. Give it a click. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your account. You can do so using your email, or if it's easier for you, through your Google account. Just choose the option that suits you best and enter the necessary details to get into your Trello account. Now that you're logged in, you're going to want to navigate to your boards. On the Trello homepage, look for a section aptly named Boards. This is your next destination, so go ahead and click on it. Once you're there, focus your attention on the area titled Your Workspaces. This is where you can see all the different Trello boards you have access to in the various workspaces you're part of. Go ahead and select the board that you'd like to manage. This is the one where you want to remove a member. With the board open, direct your eyes to the top of the screen where you'll see a Share button. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu where you can control the permissions and members associated with your board. From this drop-down, you'll notice an option to view the member list. This is typically labeled or appears as a members drop-down. Click on it to reveal all the individuals associated with your board. Here's the key step. Find the member you want to remove. Their name will be listed alongside everyone else who has access to the board. Once you've found them, look for an option that says Remove from Board. This action will prompt a confirmation box to make sure you're certain about your decision to remove this member. It's a crucial part of the process that helps prevent any accidental removals. If you're ready to proceed, go ahead and click on the Remove button in the confirmation box. And there you have it, the member is no longer part of your board. That's all there is to it. A simple way to keep your Trello workspace organized and ensure that only the necessary people have access to your board. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips on managing your digital life more efficiently. Thanks for watching and see you next time.